Disclaimer: this ebook has been written for information purpose only. Every effort has been made to make this ebook as complete and accurate as possible. However, there may be mistake in the typographic or content. Also, this ebook provided information only up to the publishing date. Therefore, this ebook should be used as a guided, not as the ultimate source. The purpose of this ebook is to educate. The author and the publisher does not warrant that the information contained in this ebook is fully completed and shall not be responsible for any errors or omissions. The author and publisher shall be have neither liability or nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss or damage caused or alleged to be caused directly or indirectly by this ebook. Table of content. Introductory. 4. Chapter 1. A Galleons at Internet Marketing. 5. Chapter 2. A few ideas on Internet Marketing. 7. Chapter 3. Viral Marketing Technique. 9. Chapter 4. Setting of your affiliate marketing system. 13. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing. 15. Chapter 6. Balancing your promotions. 17. Chapter 7. Avoiding marketing money pits. 20. Chapter 8. Business Marketing Strategy. Introductory. When you think about online marketing, what do you think or first? Which aspect of online marketing are important, which are essential, and which one can you take a leave? You be the judge. 1. Sell more back-end product to your existing customer base. You already created a rapport, trust, and provide your credibility to them. 2. Make it a practice to upsell to new and existing customer. After they decided to buy one product, offer them another product. 3. Cross promote your product and service with other business that are not competition. You will reach a wider audience at less cost. 4. Create joint venture deal with other business. You can expand your product line and target other profitable markets at a lower cost. 5. Star an affiliate program for your business. You will be able to spend less profit on risky advertising and spend more money on guaranteed sales. I trust that what you have read so far has been informative. The following section should be go long way to our cleaning up any uncertainty they may remain. 6. Great advertising with other business to save revenue. You could trade a zinc ads, ban anything ads, link print and etc. 7. Outsource part of your workload. This can save on employee costs, equipment cost, taxation cost, expansion costs, etc. 8. Add low cost business to your offer that have a higher perceived value. It could be ebook members only sites, consulting, e-reports, etc. 9. Use viral marketing to promote your business on the internet. Give away free stuff with your ad copy including on it so others can give it away. 10. Follow up with all your prospect. You can use a free zinc following up autoresponder, an update or reminding list, etc. Chapter 1. A glance at internet marketing. Internet marketing Internet marketing is a concept of business marketing both to customer and to other business via the internet. But it to explore and understand this black box is not simply simple. This main reason is that the internet is forever evolving and is subject to wave of change. With new advance in internet technology, business are able to leverage on it and add to their marketing approach and content. Similarly, more people are logging onto the internet every day as the internet access are made more affordable and rapidly available. The demography is changing and no longer is the wealthy individual the only target of internet marketing. Today, we should consider all income lives in our internet marketing approach of business. In the 1990s, internet marketing Ben Breakser, it was a brand new concept and caution had been thrown to the wind in all the hype. Companies did not take into consideration that the same variable of marketing in other forms of media should logically be applied to internet marketing as well. The failure to study market and create sound strategy lead to the fail of the money so called don't come in the end of 2000 in the survivors and successor began to look toward time tested logis in marketing for direction and the result was massive growth. Through the now careful approach of business and marketing like target advertising on the internet has brought forth great success. Virtual any market you may wish to break into can be trapped on the internet. Many marketing films offer the solution a business need to get their product out to the consumer, while a small firm may wish to handle their marketing on their own and can find lower cost solution for their goals as well. A major resource for internet marketing is the search engine. To get the spontaneous suggestion offered by television or radio, pop-up ads and ads placed directly on a website or used another excellent form of marketing is the email feature that is available on the internet, but bear in the mind that the business will only achieve success when you have built a good relationship with the customer. Many people are spending hours on the internet daily. This is because the internet offer convincing and it is capable of happening you get your task completed with hand and easy to use point and click feature. Many tasks can no longer require a trip in the car to be completed. Thus relationships are growing on the web and as they do the place of internet commerce has rocketed into the trillions of dollars. Advance in technology and increased traffic are leading to a future for internet marketing that can only point skyward. Chapter 2, a few ideas on internet marketing. Promoting your Promoting your small business on the internet is crucial in today's world. The entrepreneur who ignores this gold mine of potential opportunity does so at his or her own peril. There is too much to be gained through marketing on the internet and little to be lost. If your company is internet based to begin with, this is a no-brain of course. But things are rapidly changing on the web, and those marketing strategies that worked a few years ago may not work as well today. Here are a few things you can do to expose your business to potential new customers that work today but may not in a few years. SEO search engine optimization. For For the internet entrepreneur who want their website to be a success, this is the first step toward ensuring that success. Unless you have unlimited funds with the reach which to advertise your product, this is a step you cannot afford to skip. Optimizing your website is the equivalent of building your brick and mortar store in major shopping district as opposite to halfway down a dirty road with a old rust sign pointed in the other direction. Its important cannot be overstated. There are many factors its CEO and not enough for me in the article to get into them. Fortunately, few topics have been as exhaustible writing about do the Google search your one and you will find plenty to ready. Pay per click. This is another fine way to get your internet business up and running. This service is offered by Google, Yahoo, and MSN to name a few. With Google AdWords, you are going to have the most potential traffic, but you may also have the most competition for the best keyword. What does that means? Will AdWord and the others work by letting you creating an advertisement, usually a heading and couple of a sentence. You, the, you then must choose the keyword that will active your ads. Then you place a video how much you are willing to pay per click of ad depending on each keyword. It all sounds a lot more confusing than it is. The benefit of this type of advertising, so opposite to say banner advertising, is you only pay when you have been insured of a visitor. Of course, what you do with that visitor is up to you and your one marketing skill. Article and inbound link next to SEO. This is the most powerful section of strategy for the up and coming internet business owner. In order to move up the search engine rankings, you must have income links. Backlink as they are called to in the SEO world. When the search engines see website with a lot of natural inbound links, they begin to see the website as an authority in whatever subject the site is about. Thus the site is ranking began to improve. There are many ways to go about getting backlink, but one of the best way is through writing article. There are article form on the internet which host your article for free and then sell them or give them away to other website owner who are angry for content. This benefit will be because at the end of the article you will have including your name and a link to your website. Every time someone grabs your article to put on their website, you get another important links. There are millions of successful strategy for marketing on the internet, but these are the three building blocks. Go and research them, and your business will be the better for it. Chapter 3: Viral Marketing Technique. With the unsold marketing campaign geared toward internet user, viral marketing has paved the way and has become one of the top methods used in advertising. The principle behind the success of viral marketing is the number of users reached through the campaign. There are several viral marketing techniques that can be applied for a advertising campaign to succeed. Take a look at the following. Creative Viral Marketing Awards. Creating viral marketing awards help both the companies and user by creating even more user. Awards viral marketing help innovate in the industry more and bringing out more effective marketing technique. 2. distributing free software. Anything useful and free get a instant fan base on the internet, provided online user with any software that they need for free, even for a limited time, and they will surely grab it. When using a free software, you can run the program to suit application, check the flow of the program to learn how it works, make improvisation, and have the right distributing the software for free. 3. Providing free email account. This is what this is what Microsoft did to initially launch Hotmail. They put in a trace at the end of the free email message that they aim to providing a link for user to sign up for a free and provide private email account. The word free has sparked the interest of online user as well as the fact that is something that online user really need. Soon almost all Microsoft users sign up for a free Hotmail. This started the viral marketing favor. 4. Providing free web space. Personal web blogs have become all the buzz on the internet. There are companies now who are competing like crazy just to offer customer the lowest cost in directory listing on the have the biggest space allowance. This competition will benefit the users in such a way that they get their pick from the host of best space providers and have the greatest deal. 5. Creating top 100 sites. Online users often need a list of websites retailing and to top that they need. Creating a top 100 list is one way to build your list and increase your customer base. 6. Offering free e-cards. eGreeting.com is one company which provided a threshold of online user to send electronic greeting cards. They are animated and personalized, so most users take advantage of the offer. 7. Offering free graphic banner template. Just like the just like the marketing of regular consumer product, anything that is a free and useful will catch the attention of a lot of people. Banner graphic templated and other item that online user can use the welcome addition to their list of favorites and will infuse the viral marketing favor. 8. Offering free consultation. Most online users do not know exactly where to go for a consultation about web service or other service in various fields. Free online consulting website require you to enter your name, email address and other pertinent information that would help add your subscriber and customer base. 9. Offering specialized link directory. Specialized link directory help build a more specific client silently as the user who need this service can be classified. This technique yield more accurate result. 10. For free newsletter with bonus. An online shopping company might use the viral marketing technique. Offering catalogs with free online gift certificate will generate a huge customer base. 11. Redirector service. Redirector service give out the new contact information of a website that changed hosts or service as well as the redirecting user to a new or personalized domain name. This is an alternative to the much longer and complicated URLs offered by most web hosts. 12. Screensaver. You cannot browse through the internet and not find pops advertising about free screensaver. This is one way of getting the user email address for a company to start building so solid customer base. Getting online user to take advantage for of free screensaver as well as emoticon or other down well they can use their customer is one of the most effective technique used in the viral marketing. 13. Free autoresponder service. Autoresponder service add up to your company sales by using follow-up email message in marketing. 14. Free email course. You cannot believe that wealthy of information that you can gain from free email course. Most publishers of free ebook want to share their knowledge to other online user and this is a good way to entice user to your website. 15. Writing article and distributing them for reprint with resource box. When writing article for free download, make sure to have them reprinted with the resource box. A resource box is a box on one side of the web page where you got the article and it show the completely contact information of the author of a publisher article. 16. Using forms and discussion border which is a signature. The user of discussion border and forms have the same interested. By getting their signature of message board, you can have a very wide area of potential buyer from the specific target market. 17. Starting your one affiliate program. This is one of the best methods to generate traffic and sales to your site. Here a specialized link is provided for your affiliate so that user can be very towards your website. 18. Providing a free guest book. A guest book make a list of all your online visitor. After a user visitor your website, you would have to their contact information for future marketing and mailing purpose. 19. Providing free forms. Online forms have a lot of participant which can be very useful viral marketing technique. By applying this viral marketing technique to promote your product and service, you will surely generate traffic to your website, build a huge and solid customer base, add to your sales and contribute toward the success of your company. Note, this article may be freely reproduced as long as the author's resource box at the bottom of the article is including and all links must be active. Link bell with the syntax change. Chapter 4. Setting off your affiliate marketing system. There is much speculation about how much money you can earn online without your one product. Marketing your one digital product on the internet can be very lucrative, but there is no reason why can't profit a great deal by using creative methods that offer real value to internet surfer and have your one product as well. An affiliate program is really not as difficult to set up as you may think. Thanks to the high demand of affiliate system recently, there are now lots of way to set up your one program. Here is what you need to set up your one. A website with your one domain name. 2. At least one product or service that you want completely. 3. A system to handle commission tracking and payment. That sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? Well, actually, it is, and it is getting easier all the time. The first two items listed above are self-explanatory of course. You need your own website and your own product or service. You can't very well set up an associate program if you don't own the site or product you will be promoting. If you have not taken these two steps, you will need to do them first. Once you have managed to get by these two steps, you can move right to step 3, getting up your program. You will need to search the internet for a system that will handle commission tracking and payment. You can try to do this yourself, but you will most likely miss some and miss it once or miss it income. There are free ones as well as paid ones. The, the positive aspect of any associate management system are many. One, you can sign on associate more rapidly and grow a larger force of reseller. Two, you will enjoy the automation and online management of affiliates. Three, this system provided full sales statistic for both you and your associate. Chapter 5, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can greatly increase sales figure with only a little increase in the quality and quantity of affiliate partnership. The advantage of using affiliates is that it increases the leverage in the marketplace. Imagine getting people out there selling your product all day for free and they don't make a penny until they start selling stuff for you. It is great writing checks because each dollar you write to an affiliate you are getting $2 back into your one pocket. Someone someone once said in response to a question on increasing page rank is search engine. Searches that write simple word that has been increasable important it I really want my one network of affiliates. Affiliate manager should MC Lawler said the advantage of increasing affiliate numbers was clear, but it was important to have active affiliates that continue to promote the product each month rather than in one of the attempt. Understanding how affiliate increase sales can be easy seen a formula. Figure 1. Total sales product or service price, the number of active affiliates, number of monthly sales per affiliate. Increasing any part of the above formula will increase sales. However, increase the product price will have a decreasing effect on the other two variable in the formula. Not all people that pay $30 for a product or service will be as willing to pay $40. However, in increasing the number of affiliates or sales they make will have an exponential increase on the bottom line. Figure 2. Original sales. Total sales $1,000 per product price is $100. Affiliate number 10. Monthly sales per affiliates 10. Increasing affiliates $10 $15,000 product price $100 affiliate number 15 monthly sales for affiliate 10. Increasing affiliate and monthly sales TS $22,500 product price $100 affiliate number 15 monthly sales per affiliate 15. What the example shows is that it doesn't take huge increase in the number of the affiliate or unit solid to have the substantial increase in the bottom line. It is important that the affiliate are active and they work each month to get the product out the marketplace. The role of an affiliate manager is to ensure that affiliate number is caused in there are high number of active affiliates. It is just now coming to people mind that such a small increase can have such a huge impact. Business are now looking for affiliate manager, and if you look at the employment listed, affiliate manager are being sought after. There is a very small number of affiliates that would be classed as active affiliates. I would say on the average affiliate list about 2.2 or 5% would be active. The role of affiliate manager is to increase the number of active affiliates and train them to sell the product. It is in the best interest of the manager to train affiliates because they were more likely to remain active and draw more affiliates into the system if they increase their one individual sales figures. Chapter 6, Balancing Your Promotions. Promotions Promotions of your online business may take a variety of direction. Some will bring more success than others. Everyone is, everyone is important to consider when you are trying to open the door to visitor to your site. This article businesses several of the more useful way to promote and the necessity of keep in some balance in your potential efforts. Search engine. Everyone need to make an effort to get their site indexed to the major search engine. If you want more people to visit your website, you must know how to create search engine friendly web page and then submit your URL to all the major search engine. That's what this site is all about. Linking. Think of linking another website as road sign that point to site. That's what link do. They will be useful it is there are no high traffic sites that are relevant to your site content. Now there are many ways to create and maintain links. Too many for this article to discuss. Here are a couple of print points about linking. Avoid links from that create a load of useless, irrelevant link to your site. They may do more harm and good the search engine. I recommended that you create a link page and manually add and delete links. Avoid purchasing and installing script or other search method. If you don't have the skill to do that, then there are some good paid services that will manage your links. A simple search on one of the major search engine will turn off bunch. Here are a couple that I can recommend it. Reciprocament.com, linkmanager.com, webtoolbox.com. Join venture. This is simple. I have something to promote. You have a website or newsletter. I will pay you a portion of my profit to promote it. I can work well if you can enter it the time with personal statement and recommendation. Be careful of jumping on all offers. Make sure they are legitimate. Article. Article. One of the least expensive, most effective way to get exposure for your business or newsletter is to write and distribute an article. Publishers are looking for good, fresh content or their newsletter and easiness. You provide it with a well-researched article. The trade-off is they are required to include a short resource box at the end of the article that links back to your site. It is a win-win situation. One of the way to let your article gain exposure is to list it in several of your online article directories like article2go.com, bizsitebiz.com, marketingseek.com, articlecentral.com. There are many others, just search article directories. Ad swap, great way to get some not cost exposure. If you have is into newsletter, just located some similar publication and offer to swap ads with them. Is in advertising. Probably the easiest way to get some exposure quickly is to locate an advertiser is some selector publication. Be sure that be sure that the newsletter is likely to reach your target audience. It's one to do much good to promote your yellow budget to an engine which is made of your reader who are modern newsletter interesting learning about how to mix baby formula. You can also spend some series money quickly with this type of promotion. Be sure and track your ads to make sure you are making money above your advertising expense. Depending on the nature of your online business, some of these promotional types may have more of less relevance for you. Whichever means you use, try and keep a balance in your effort that will allow you to most effectively reach your target audience. Chapter 7, Avoiding Marketing Money Pits. Is your business bombarded by sales and other marketing professionals telling you that the product or service they are offering are in the best interesting or effective cost reducing method to market your organization? Finding your way to through the maze of offer, opportunity and avoiding potential money pits highlight is the important for your all business regardless of size to have the strategy marketing plan that is implemented and followed. It is a through marketplace for any small business and information is the key to making wise marketing discussion and for the several of any business or organization the reveals for a strategic marketing plan cannot be understated. It is unfortunate, but it all too common that people under the digest of the personal marketing and sales bill boasted product and service are the most effective and cost reducing method to market your business. Additionally, by writing article or giving lecture, for example, they attempt to give their claims a form or legitimacy. Beware of people making extraordinary claims. A true personal wanted to sell their product or service but also retrain the integrative to learn your business and know when the product or service is not a good fit. The benefit for type of sales or marketing professional is your loyalty and trust in future business transaction. A, tr- a strategy marketing plan help a business to avoid potential money pits that best valuable marketing dollar in expenditure that may appear to cost less but have minimal or non-measurable result. Simple because something may cost less and other business area participating not make it solid marketing discussion for your organization and certainly does not guarantee a successful result. Regardless of ticket price, if it does not product measurable result and drive business to your establishment, it is a money pit. There are many good examples on the internet of people under disgusting a personal boasting their product or service or sound marketing advice. One of these claims is that business or inexpensive build brand recognition through the purchase of low cost promotional items with the organization name logo embraced of them items such as pens, table, calendar, mints and much more. The problem is that this technique offers minimal to no measurable success in the brand building, but more importantly, does nothing to draw new customer into the business. In terms of simple math, if your advertising business were to spend the some money that would be spent on embossed promotional items in traditional media channels such as print, radio, or television, for example, with the expected 2% rate and return and a minimal exposure of 12,000 individual give the advertising business the opportunity for 240 customer for the expenditure. If only 30% of the 2% actually make a purchase that provide that the business with 72 new transaction, a business can multiple its average transaction price by 72. See the really protection income from the marketing expenditure. Another benefit is brand awareness that would be gained through the advertisement and the opportunity to build a customer for life. Future more. To anticipate business and brand loyalty and the organization can offer the it is customer coupon. This method promoted customer appreciation and can be low cost marketing method. Moreover, with any marketing expenditure, a business should always perform for a cost benefit analysis in the correct correlation with a strategic marketing plan. Simple if it does not offer measurable result, drive new business and build brand awareness, it is a money pit. Chapter 8 Business Marketing Strategy. The term business marketing strategy might sound like it is esoteric of startups here. So let's take the mystery out of it. So can devise implement your business marketing strategy that fits into the small business plan. Strategy comes from Greece words. Stain gain means to be generally. Think of strategy as, as an overall plan of action needed to win the war. The smaller details action or call it action. You can have tactical plan which help you achieve your strategic marketing plan overall business marketing strategy. That's simple enough, isn't it? A business marketing strategy or a strategic marketing plan is an overall plan of marketing actions you intend to take the order to accomplish a specific goal for your company. Start with a goal 2 million in sellers is the years. Expand into new premises of the certain date. Double up size the company in 2 years. Whatever the goal may be, something realistic but challenging. That's the war you want to win. Guess who the general is? Then work out simple overall plan of the major marketing step need to accomplish that. For example, publish a newsletter for all existing customer and mail out quarterly. Work out for special offer in the years and promote them to all our customers. Set off online shopping and expand the website. Direct mail campaign promoting the website to all customers. Get mailing list of target market and do series of the 3 mailing of postcard to them and follow up one on and close all leads. You get the idea. Don't rush those. Do your homework. What were worked in the pets? Read of one successful marketing campaign. Your business marketing strategy need to be laid out in the right sequence and you should have some idea of budget when you write it. Run a series of 30-second TV ads during the Super Bowl. Might sound like a good thing to do, but can you afford it? On the other hand, when you build your business marketing strategy, you mustn't try to cut corners. If you don't promote heavily, it doesn't matter how good your product or service. No one will know about it and you will go broke. What's real work when it comes to marketing? Many business owners don't have a good enough answer to the important question. Learn it by the combination of study and trial and errors. For my one hand, one experience I have discovered that a real marketing campaign will take into consideration at least at the 7 point which are outlined below. Target your market. Your marketing will produce the best result for the lowest cost when you target prospect with the target need to for your offer. Identify the best people to send your postcard to. Design your postcard to appeal to their greatest need. If you are able to break down your target market into sub-market, you can bend a right postcard that specifically speak to the need of those people. Any example is breaking down your one customer list into customer who buy most often. Customer who send the most money with your customer who have been your customer the longest and them making them specially offer based on the category they fit on into. Create a USP for your business. USP standard for unique selling proposition. It is a statement of what is different about your company and it is product. Your USP gives the reason people should do business with you. It amplifies the benefit of doing business with you and your company. My USP is postcard marketing expert. Create your one USP and put in on your promotional material, invoices, shipping, label, etc. Use your USP to communication that benefit of doing business with your and why you are better than any your competitor. Always make an offer. Make sure you ask your prospect and customer to do something when they receive your postcard by offering them something you know they are likely to want and giving them a smooth path to respond on. You are making it easy and desirable for the respond. Create and maintain of the database of the customer information you collect for the response to your mailing. Most people who receive a postcard from you want to contact you the first time they receiver. But once they contact you, you must create a maintain a database which allow you to rapidly contact them with offer to respond to. 50% or more many business sales come in as a result of following up with people who are previously contacted but didn't buy right away. No kidding, repeated contact does drive sales. One time billing can get response but are bound to leave sales on the table. Those sales can be picked off with repeated mailing. Take away the fear of loss. People don't want to be fully plain and simple. Unfortunately, trust does not run high today between customer and business in generally. People have been disappointed too many times by being solid one thing and getting another. A guarantor or warranty is a good way to reduce the element the customer risks or of getting customer other than what they branded for. Guarantees and warranties increase response and sales by reducing customer risks. Expand your product line. Getting new customer is more expensive than selling to existing ones. By regularly developing new product and service to sell to your customer and offering this new product and service to them, you can expand your business efficiently and easily. Test your postcard promotions. Tracks and effectiveness of your postcard mailing. How many people respond to your mailing? What dollar amount of sales resulted for those response? Is the money you are spending to attract new business giving you a good return? What can you do make your marketing more effective? Change your offer, handling price the timing of your offer. When you do track the result and improve your response, there are there are the point of follow when design your one marketing strategy. When you are doing done, we will have lead out the step needed to accomplish your goal using existing resource to achieve a great marketing R- ROI, return on investment. After that, you simple have to get those steps executive, and that might require future planning, but it is all in the context of your main business marketing strategy.